Good morning and thank you for joining us. This is the weather hazard briefing for Saturday, June 7th. Taking a look at what to expect here for the next few days. Our warming trend will continue throughout the weekend into the early part of next week while things remain dry, probably until at least Tuesday. And that's when precipitation chances will return and likely continue through the remainder of the upcoming work week next week. Looking at the satellite imagery from across the region this morning, we do have a weak trough kind of moving through the area this morning, bringing some mid and high level clouds to the area this morning. As the sun comes up, however, those clouds will probably dissipate pretty quickly, expecting most of the day to be mostly clear, although we might have a brief period of some mid and high level clouds returning again, but the majority of the day today and tomorrow will be on the mostly clear side. As far as our weather risk outlook is concerned, really no concerns until we get into Tuesday when our precipitation chances return for portions of the area and then become more widespread as we get into the day on Wednesday. As far as our temperatures are concerned today, they continue to warm up with high pressure building over the area, expecting widespread 80s across the lower elevations today, maybe get into some mid 80s as you head out towards the Magic Valley today, with those temperatures continuing to climb a little bit each day as we move forward. As far as winds are concerned today, a little bit a touch breezy, a little bit breezier than what we've seen the last few days, but nothing overly unusual for this part of the country. Generally 10 to 15 miles per hour with some gusts, maybe 20 to 25, perhaps pushing 30 as you head over towards Craters of the Moon. But again, nothing overly unusual for our area. As we get into the day Sunday, models continue to kind of delay the warm temperatures. A few days ago, it looked like we'd be well into the 90s by Sunday. Things have kind of trended down. Still, we're going to remain well above normal for this time of year, generally about 10 degrees or so, with low to upper 80s across basically all the lower elevation areas for the day on Sunday. It now looks like Monday and Tuesday are probably going to be the warmest days. That's when we're going to be able to maximize our heating, and the high pressure ridge appears to be strongest. So Monday and Tuesday will be the best days where we can see some 90-degree temperatures sneaking into the area. With those warmer temperatures, obviously our relative humidity values will go down during the afternoon hours. Generally, like we've been saying for the past few days, around 15 to 25% will be our lowest levels here for the next couple of days. And again, Tuesday now appears to be the warmest temperature day across the area. We'll see how things trend maybe over the next few days. This has been changing day by day, but right now it looks like Tuesday will be the potential for the warmest temperatures with low 90s across a good portion of the lower elevations on Tuesday, with again some pretty low RH values in the afternoon. But nothing too critical just yet. As we get into the day Wednesday, that's when we'll start to see more cloud cover in place across the area. The upper level high pressure ridge begins to decrease in intensity a little bit, getting replaced with a trough, and so our temperatures will start to trend down once again, still remaining above normal for this time of year. But with increased cloud cover and precipitation chances, those temps will be noticeably cooler on Wednesday, and you can see by the time we get to Wednesday, expecting widespread precipitation chances across the area, with some afternoon showers and thunderstorms looking pretty likely across just about everywhere, but especially as you head into the higher terrain of the Central Mountains and Eastern Highlands. But until then, things look that they'll be pretty quiet across the area. And beyond, as we get into potentially next weekend and beyond, looks like pretty high probabilities of temperatures remaining on the above normal side, with really no significant precipitation fluctuations from normal expected. So that's all I have today. Thanks for joining us, and hope you have a great Saturday.